We're a smaller air conditioning company, and jumping on board with Braemar has changed everything for us. I'm Kenny from Bradshaw Air Conditioning, and we service the air conditioning from northern New South Wales into the Gold Coast.
I'm Aaron, one of the directors of Wahoo Air Conditioning Pty Limited.
Hi, it's Troy Howard here from Wahoo Air Conditioning as one of the directors.
We've been in business for 20 odd years, sold the product for Braemar for 8 years. We do existing homes, bulk townhouse projects and commercial projects. We also do schools, offices, etc. We do use Braemar in a lot of townhouse projects and have done some apartments. And the quality is up there with all the above board brands.
My name's Nick and I'm from Primaware on the Gold Coast. Dealing with Braemar for the last 2 years has been really good. The support is second to none compared to any other aircon supplier that we've been dealing with.
G'day, I'm Andrew from Multicool on the Gold Coast.
I'm Dan from Multicool on the Gold Coast.
We first found Braemar in about 2017. Took a risk on a project we did and it worked out pretty good.
Yeah, it worked out really well. From then we've continued to flourish with Braemar.
Quoting Braemar in today's market is actually really easy from our point of view. With such a great product with extensive testing, it's easy to sell when the product's such a reliable product.
So for me, Braemar supports us really strongly with marketing, particularly with the dealer challenges they set up and their own really active social media presence. Really easy for us to just meld our two brands together almost.
So another reason why we're partnered up with Braemar is we feel we have the same values. When a customer needs extra support, extra training.
Working with Braemar is you've got support, you've got product availability, and it's on time when you ask for delivery. So as for a building company or a house that needs to be done, or someone's ill and sick and something needs to be emergency to get it done in and out, it's readily available. That's my spiel on that, because it is. It's 100% one phone call within a day, or it's picked up, we're ready to go.
The feeling we get using the Braemar product is it's like a partnership. From start to finish, from the design process, reach out for pricing, to then completing the job.
So with Braemar, we're collaborating with marketing. We've just recently done a bus. The bus does our local town and into the mid of the city. It's great to have that financial support.
We've had some great opportunities to provide feedback with Braemar as well. So if the installers can find a way that the system could get installed a little bit easier, we've taken that across and Braemar's taken that on board, and the new systems that are coming out have those new features to make it a lot easier for the installers.
Yeah, dealing with Braemar, whenever I need any tech specs or anything in the field, it's fast and very useful information. It just makes my life easier when I'm installing.
Visiting the Longsdale factory in Adelaide was a real eye-opener. I didn't realise how big Braemar and Sealy were. Seeing the production, seeing the flow, seeing the standards that are in the factory, it just made it a lot easier for us to continue selling Braemar.
Since signing up with Braemar and becoming one of their dealers, we've had a lot of growth. We're just putting our 7th van on the road in October, and with that, we're buying a factory and we're going to look at being a wholesaler as well.